here, I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution.
Guys, if someone should tell you that you can use red oil to stop death, will you believe that? If I should tell you that red oil can stop acid death, will you believe that? If I should tell you that red oil can be used to do abortion cleansing, maybe you did abortion before, as a result of the abortion you did, you find it difficult to get pregnant, do you know red oil can be used for cleansing? A lot of spiritual powers of red oil, and that is what I want to tell you today. I want to teach you today how you can use red oil to avert death, and how you can use red oil to stop acid death, or how you can use red oil to stop something that would have caused harm to you that the enemy has planned. And that is what I want to teach you guys today. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet according to the time you're watching my video, or wherever you're watching it from. Okay, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, don't forget to click on that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important videos from me. Who is Zuzu? Where there is God, my brother, everything is possible. Okay, now, like I used to say that, as they said, knowledge is power. So there are some little things around you that can solve a lot of great things, but you don't know, due to the fact that you don't know, you don't have the basic knowledge of how you can use them. Now, I want to teach you this. If, for example, now, maybe you did an abortion before as a woman, and as a result of that, you find it difficult to get pregnant when you're not married. So what you need to do is to just get red oil. When I say red oil, that is palm oil, okay? Palm oil. You get palm oil. If you don't know it, Google it. For those who know in Nigeria, because I remember I made a video, I told somebody to get palm oil. I showed that I said they don't have palm oil in their country. So palm oil, that is red oil. You can get it in Africa store if you are not in Nigeria, okay? So get red oil, pour on that oil. I said this is what I use to clean the blood that I have spilled. So after you have made that prayer, you can get like one bottle of red oil. So after you have prayed on that red oil, then drop it on the ground. Then as you drop it on the ground, use your toe to touch it. Yes, use your toe to touch it. Then add money to it. Then go and dash it out to a woman beggar. That is how to use red oil. And you will see the result within 7 days of you doing it. That is that about abortion cleansing. Now, if for example now somebody is telling you, oh, you are dreaming of death about you or your loved one, they have planned death for them. Red oil can actually be used to cleanse it. Yes, you can actually use red oil to do that. All you need to do is to just like get red oil. After you have gotten your red oil, like one bottle of red oil, okay? Early morning, after you have gotten that one bottle of red oil, early morning, hold that red oil, face where the sun rises, and pray that whatever death they have set for me or my son, that's depending on if you know the person you are praying for, you do it. If it is you, do. So you make prayers on that red oil. When you are done making prayers on that red oil, then you add money to it. Then dash it. If you are a man, dash it out to a man. If you are a woman, dash it out to a woman. That is how you can easily use red oil to avert death. That is the death when your time has not come. Maybe for example, the enemy are planning death for you, especially death by accident. It can solve it. And if any accident is coming, like any accident is coming, and they have told you that accident is coming for you, you can also use red oil to do that. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comment section. Depending on the like I got from this video, that will determine, your comments will determine if I will make more videos on red oil. And if you notice me very well, I don't take much of your time when I'm teaching. I don't like teaching parability just to make my video long. If you notice me, I always make my video short and just straight. If you are a pastor or you are a spiritualist, I have group for pastors and spiritualists where I coach them on visions and powers. We also teach them some certain cool stuff. So if you are interested, you join. But to join that group is not for free. And I also have general WhatsApp group. If you want to join my general WhatsApp group, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely add you to my general WhatsApp group. Who is Zuzu? So before I go, I would like to just give you guys one tip as a bonus. Not as part of this topic, but I want to tell you guys something as a bonus. Do you know that you can actually use salt and native chalk to better your life, your shop? If you, for example, don't normally have sales, okay, just get salt, get native chalk, mix that chalk and native chalk inside water, pray on it, then use it to sprinkle it on your shop. That brings good luck. Whatever it is that will try to chase customer away will free from your shop. Who is Zuzu? Like, see you guys in the next video. Anything you know that I ask question, I will definitely get back to you.